better drunk than sober. Hard to stay persistent when the pain taking over. Long days and longer nights, tired but I show up. Try to draw some fire and the critics just scold you. Been hiding in the smoke, smell the marijuana odor. Drifting through the madness like a storm, got my coat up. Sitting in the lab trying to meet my beat quota. And people still laugh when you getting paid for quotes. 2 chains round my neck like I need respect. Honestly, I ain't impressed, most these fools a mess. I only strive for progress, soaring past the rest. Missing out on sleep, trying to do my fucking best. A lot of fools static, so you know I gotta lay low. Watching my surroundings, cause these people don't want growth. They quick to drag your name through the dirt for a come up, and wind up falling off, cause they never learn to shut up. This karma gon' do me well, best to focus on myself, outside of my comfort zone. Elevating out this hell, I pray that all those listening invest in proper energies, and cut off all the friends and fam that ain't helping anything. We see a bit clearer in the times we at our lowest. Came up with the plan and through the struggles kept going. Dragging Jordans through the trenches looking for a way out. Hand-me-down outfits, retro jackets in the trap house. Got my money risking bids, speeding down a bad route. Complex compositions being made, trying to stand out. I know I ain't the only one that's out here trying to make it, but few people ever match my passion or my patience. I found myself thriving in some bad situations. Mindset is key when you really trying to change shit. Most don't understand the sacrifices you be making, breaking all the curses of your fam past generations. Swear that it's a blessing every day that I wake up. I hope you feel the same even when things ain't in your favor. My main goal is to lift those whose souls be in danger, and show them that they worth every little bit of effort.